Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is called loaded beef and broccoli. I found it on TikTok and it's really simple. So I chopped up some broccoli and I'm going to steam that for about 7 minutes. Also have about 6 pieces of bacon that I chopped up. For the seasoning, she used something called Paleo Pink. She said what was in it, so I just kind of eyeballed it. I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt, pepper, chili, cumin, and garlic. Then I took a pound of ground beef and browned that. Then you're going to want to drain all the grease off and then basically just add everything together when it's done. So I'm adding in the steamed broccoli. I should have added the seasonings first. Totally forgot about it. So I added the seasoning after the broccoli, kind of stuck to the broccoli. Then you could add in the bacon. About 1/4 cup of cheese, and then 1/4 cup of sour cream. I use Greek yogurt. Tastes the exact same to me, just has more protein. So I added that, gave it a really good mix, and that's literally all there is to it. It's really simple, but it tastes delicious, and even the kids eat it, which is super surprising because they're very picky. So that is what I have for you today. If you want to see more recipes, make sure you stay tuned. Like I said, I will be posting one every single day in December. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.